You know who wasn't a, you know who wasn't a hero?
Forrest Gump said that.
You know who wasn't a hero? Fucking Taskmaster, because she's fucking dead.
She's fucking dead. Yeah. Oh my god.
She died
Didn't see that
immediately.
coming. I genuinely forgot who that was. I had to look it up.
The audience probably everyone clapped, you know, when they killed her. It's great.
It was just the villain from Black Widow.
That's a terrible version of her too.
And she was
A mute,
completely
fucking
forgettable.
mute.
She was immediately forgettable and like irredeemable. Like I think she was an irredeemable villain. She wasn't a nuanced villain. She was just bad. So they had to kill her. They had to kill her in the start of the
right in
movie.
the head. Bam.
I kept expecting it to be like a robot or something. No, she's just dead. She just got a bolt through the skull in the beginning of the movie.
That's all it takes.
I mean, it'll do it for anyone, I think. Unless you're the Sentry.